Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is your brother BeDistinct. In today's video, based on the title, you guys know that we're going to be installing the downpipes over there on the Nissan Z. It still has a stock exhaust and it's super dirty. That's because it's raining, sorry guys. And the G35 feels neglected. For those of you guys who've been following the channel, of course you guys know that I also have a boosted G35, and I put this little plastic cover so the water doesn't get into the blower and stuff like that. But we're gonna go ahead and buy a portable garage slash tent for it, because yeah, we can't have the vehicle like this, and especially because the winter is coming, we can't have the vehicle like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this baby and buy a tent for it. Well, let's go ahead and pop the trunk and make some space for this downpipes. By the way guys, I love you guys. Come on, gang. Come on. That deserves a like. But before I even head out to the shop to go ahead and install these downpipes, I do want to give a shout out to today's sponsors, Team VR30, aka Boosted Auto Works. I'm gonna put his IG page right there. If you guys need any VR30 parts, I mean intakes, intercoolers, downpipes, you name it, he's a guy. Go ahead, send him a message, let him know I sent you, and get your goodies, man. Cause man, look, these are full downpipe, full resonated downpipes for the Nissan Z, man. Look at this. This thing's beautiful, man. Hopefully this resonator here actually helps tone in the tone of the exhaust. I do have a stock exhaust though, so I don't think it will be too extra loud, right? It should open it up a little bit, but not too much. But I do like that they're resonated, because in my G35 I have non-resonated test pipes, and it can get a little drony, and I had to add a resonator myself and weld it in there. But with this already comes resonated here, and hopefully, and I think with the exhaust that I'm gonna go with, it's gonna have a resonator as well. Super practical Nissan Z right here, man. Bam, bingo. That's your stock exhaust for you. Don't get me wrong, California definitely needs the rain, but man, I hate rainy days, low-key. I mean, they're nice because you get to swing the car, but still, like, I don't. The mood is just not there. It's not the vibes, man. But here's stock exhaust. Can you guys hear it? Bro, that thing sounds like a Tesla. I think the Tesla is louder. I can't hear it. The compressors are definitely louder. There you go. How's that? Can you guys hear it? Can you come on? One thing I am not looking forward to though is, since we are installing downpipes, you know we're bound to get that check engine light in the Nissan Z, so that's gonna suck. Obviously it goes away with the tune, but still sucks just seeing it there. I'm gonna have to put a sticker there. I hate seeing the check engine light. Oh, it is super rainy, man. So what's with the bad weather? What's with the mood killer, man? What's with the mood killer, Mother Nature? Oh, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I mean, I don't hear the exhaust, I only hear the engine. The engine sounds good, I'm not gonna lie, the engine sounds pretty damn good. But no exhaust. We're also gonna be testing how the car feels. Does it feel slower? Does it feel faster? Is there more lag, less lag? Things like that. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound, but I think that's mostly engine noise. Alright guys, we just got the green light to go inside. By the way, huge shout out to Clarity Auto Works for doing this install for me. Let me wipe that down. There you go. Huge shout out to Clarity Auto Works. They're going to be installing my downpipe. They do a lot of installs like downpipe. They do wrap jobs and different stuff like that. So if you guys need anything like that, feel free to check them out. They're located here in Roseville. And but they do a lot of exotics too. So if you have an exotic, this is definitely the place to go. I'm going to do a little quick stock rev test. It's super quiet. Actually quieter than Tesla.
That's pretty quiet, bro.
Yeah, that's pretty quiet. That's why it's so quiet.
Holy shit.
Yeah, bro, you can grab it with your whole hand, bro. That's crazy.
Oh, wow. Do that again.
Hey. Yeah, I think this is just the lower downpipe, and then that's fucking full shit right there. Do these have like two cats? Yeah. Oh shit.
All right, you got to go up in there.
Yeah, I get it. Alright guys, this one's still on, but he got that one out. And That's just so crammed in here. That's why I'm here. But look, I'm assuming that's a turbo right there.
Oh yeah, that's turbo.
That shit's so crammed in there, bro. He even had to take down the wheel, bro, because you can't see shit and like. I don't know how he got it out to be. I think there would be a lot more space with this one installed, probably. Alright guys, this is pretty much what the full downpipe on the Nissan Z looks like. We got two cats, one right here, one right there.
The intake.
Right about there. Got you.
My expensive sockets.
Alright, how hard was it, be honest?
Bro, it was awful.
0 to 10.
Like an 8.5.
Goddamn.
Solid. Just those 2 bolts.
Yeah, it's literally only 2
bolts. Everything else is easy.
If you guys are curious, they're the V-band bolts that hold the, what is it, the hot side turbo to the downpipe?
To the downpipe, yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Is the key in it?
It shouldn't be too loud, right? It shouldn't be too loud.
No idea.
Sounds good. Sounds good. I like it.
You hear the turbo? Wow. Yeah, definitely need some catback.
Exhaust, yeah. Catback ASAP. I'm trying to see if I can stay in SAC and have the exhaust delivered to my house. If not, I think I might have to drive down to LA once again to get that exhaust. But woo, these fumes.
Oh, not getting lucky.
Oh shit.
Anyway, it's a ZX-10R. Look at that.
Let's start. All right.
Yeah.
Let me see, rev it a little bit. It's a tad bit louder, but not really. The exhaust is just way too small. The catback exhaust is like ridiculously small. So we need to work ASAP on getting a catback exhaust, like I said. Thing about it, which I don't know if I told you guys, but no check engine light so far. The resonated full downpipes have like a defouler, and so it shouldn't give me a check engine light apparently, but God, this thing is slipping. Slip Nation. We're gonna go swing this, by the way, today in this video, because okay, so it is a tad bit louder. Okay, initial response, okay, we gotta okay, I don't, oh fuck, okay, I'm stopping. Holy crap, guys, I do not know how I freaking caught that. I don't know if you guys could see on camera, but I freaking tried to gas it again, and the whole car jerked, like, it like spun out, and I could have sworn I was gonna head to the freaking curb and crash this car already. That's why I turned off the camera immediately. Let's check up on the G35. How soaked did it get? It was raining hard. Looks like it's doing just fine. All right, guys, we're now united with Subzilla, and we are in the Z, and let's go have some fun with it.